Hi, I'm Shantae Frazier, co-founder of WellCapped, and I'm here to give you a quick demo of our new website that we recently migrated over to Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is go to www.wellcapped.com, and then from there, you're simply going to Rent Now, and you sign up for the mailing list to get a discount. And then you select which wig you want. So next month, I think I want to do this wig, the ruby. And you can either do a one-time rental. So this is a part of our luxury collection, which means that it's for 1 month, $200. Or you can do a one-time rental for $220, no commitment. You could change it to, for our well-capped wigs, you can change the delivery cadence to once every 2 months for $80 a month. So you simply add to cart, and then you go to cart and you check out, and then we use, you get the wig. When you're done with it, we mail the wig out with a pre-labeled poly mailer. So when you're done, you simply put the wig into the bag and it comes straight to us. We then take the inventory to vendors here in Atlanta that we partner with to have the wig sanitized, washed, and cleansed. And we have a well-capped standard for making sure that's done the right way. Yeah, so check out our application. We would love to come pitch to you live in LA. Thank you.